Okay, so our AC broke last night. Let me show you how we fix it. Okay, so first thing is to turn off the power to the AC. Everyone is going to be mad because it's going to be hot as hell. The air conditioner is water cooled, so we need to shut off water flow to the pump. We need to pull up the floorboards so we can access the seacock. Once we close that, we need to access the pump filter. Now that we have everything out, we need to clean them. Now we put it all back. Open the seacock and turn the air conditioning back on. Yay.